Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all very well. So guys, today I am going to make upma. So while making upma, I thought we should make videos for speaking English for practice. So let's get started guys. First of all, we should know about upma. It is one of the most common South Indian recipes, breakfast recipes, which is now popular all over India. Upma is a quick preparation using common ingredients available in the Indian kitchen, and so it can be made without much ado. So guys, let's make upma. So this is a semolina. In Hindi you can say suji rava. So these are vegetables. I have to chop it. First of all, we have to turn on the gas. And I have kept a pan already on a gas. So I have added clarified butter. It means that ghee. And I'm going to fry groundnut. So guys, I have add only tomatoes, potatoes. You can add a lot of vegetables. It's up to you. So after roasted, I will take out this. So I have already took out roast, and as well as I'm cooking dal in a cooker. And now I'm going to chop vegetables, and then I have to add, first of all I will add cumin seeds and then mustard seeds. Let them crackle well, and then I'm going to add curry leaves and chopped onion. Let them mix. So guys, you can take a lot of vegetables. So guys, it is a very healthy breakfast recipes. And I have add chili, green chilies, chopped chili, and then I have add potatoes, chopped potatoes. So guys, in my home everyone like upma. I also like it. So mostly I'm in breakfast I make it. So guys, this is my kitchen fan. In these days very hot. So now I use this. This is chopped tomatoes. So guys, I'm going to offer to God offering. This is a basil leaf. First of all, every day I offer to God, and then I have to break first. This is chopped tomatoes. So I have added it, mix it well, and then I have to chop coriander leaves. So guys, now I'm going to add semolina. So I have to take half bowl. So I'm going to roast it. So you can roast it lightly. Don't roast it golden brown. So guys, you can add a lot of vegetables like carrots, green peas, beans, capsicum, and tomatoes, potatoes. It's up to you. It's your choice. What do you like vegetables? So I have chopped coriander leaves. So almost done it is. Now I'm going to pour water. So guys, according to semolina, you can add water. Guys, I like sticky upma. I don't like granular upma. It means that khila khila in Hindi. So Now I have to stir it well, and I have to add salt. It's according to taste. You can add salt. Let them mix it up. So guys, I have chopped coriander leaves, so it is nice. It is very important. So guys, this is a pitcher pot. So I like to pitcher water. I don't use freeze water. So I kept it, and now it is almost done. So guys, when your kids come home, so you can make it easily. So now I have add coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves. So guys, when I add coriander leaves, so it gives a nice taste. So that's why it is important for upma. So guys, almost done it is. So now I am going to serve to family members. So first of all, I took a bowl, and then I have turned off the gas and I have served it, and I have garnished with groundnut, chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, and coriander leaves. So guys, you can also have it. It's this is for you. So thank you so much guys.